Welcome. If you want to activate noise cancelling in your Huawei FreeBuds Pro, at the first you have to enter AI Live application, then enter for your FreeBuds and open charger case to change the status to the connected. And as you can see right now, here we got the noise control, so we can activate it by moving right here on this icon and clicking on the noise cancelling, and also we can adjust the mode of this noise cancelling. So we got 4 modes: dynamic, cozy, general and ultra, and here we got also description of every feature. So we can, for example, go for the ultra, so it's extremely ideal for extremely noise places. So let's go with this one, and that's how we can turn on noise control on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.